What's the meaning of coinage? Coinage. Coinage.
Coinage. Coinage. Coinage refers to the creation of new words or phrases, often through the process of combining existing words or adding affixes. This can occur naturally as language evolves, or intentionally by individuals or groups seeking to introduce new terminology. The resulting words or phrases may become widely adopted in a particular language or subculture, reflecting the changing ways in which people communicate and express themselves. Overall, coinage plays an important role in shaping language and facilitating communication, allowing for the expression of new ideas and perspectives.